Hi, I'm David, your health expert. Today, I want to talk to you about why everyone, young and old, needs to increase their intake of alkaline foods or minerals. The typical Western diet is high in acid. This acid must be eliminated from the body by the kidneys. Often, the acidity levels are too high for the kidneys to handle, or declining kidney function reduces acid excretion. If this occurs, the body relies on other acid buffering systems, like the bone or muscle tissue. As we grow and age, our skeleton is constantly breaking down old bone and growing new bone. Recent experimental studies show that this naturally occurring process happens in response to changing acidity levels. This is because bone is a rich source of alkaline minerals. These minerals can be released from the bone to help buffer excess acidity when the kidneys can no longer excrete the high loads of acid. However, this is problematic, especially in the aging population. Let me explain. As we age, our kidney function declines, with many older adults not consuming enough alkalizing vegetables and fruit to overcome their acid-rich diets. So, as the acid load increases in their bodies, bone breaks down at a higher rate to release the stored alkalizing minerals needed to rebalance the acid levels. This release of minerals potentially causes weakened bones and higher risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Research suggests that an increase in the proportion of alkaline foods or minerals versus acid-forming foods may be a viable strategy for not only reducing bone loss, but also muscle wasting and relieving rheumatic pain, all of which are very important for keeping the elderly population strong and healthy. Physically active and healthy adults can also benefit from reducing their acid load, especially if they are consuming a high-protein acidic diet. Research shows a diet rich in alkalizing minerals may diminish exercise-induced acidosis, delay fatigue, and improve physical performance. Reduction in muscle and joint pain is also a benefit of alkalizing supplementation. Studies have found improvements in back pain symptoms, physical mobility, and tendinitis. And for those looking to lose weight, exercise training in combination with intermittent fasting and alkaline supplementation has been shown to be an effective strategy to reduce body weight and improve running performance. Acid balance is also crucial for children and adolescents. Research indicates that a higher dietary acid load is associated with higher odds of emotional problems and hyperactivity in children. One study also found that increases in body fat in those aged between 6 to 17 years old had a clear association with urinary levels of acid and began to have a negative impact on kidney function even at these young ages. A continual acid load, no matter what age, damages the kidneys and therefore its ability to excrete acid. But the news is not all bad. Even though general aging is associated with reduced kidney function, the results of one study of 884 men aged 17 to 96 suggest that a decline in kidney function as we age is something we can change. By consuming a more alkaline diet over our lifetime, we can potentially slow down this decline in kidney function. In fact, we may even live longer if we maintain a low systemic acid load throughout our lifetime. Chronic acidosis is damaging to our health now and in the future. It is not only linked to increased aging, impaired stress response, osteoporosis, fractures, pain, and brain health, but data also suggests a correlation to blood sugar management, respiratory health, immune response, fatigue, and inflammation. Protecting our kidneys from a high acid load is important from children to older adults. We all need to increase our intake of alkaline-forming foods or minerals today to make sure we counteract our acid-forming diets.